Ever felt that little jolt of panic when you're at the checkout, phone in hand, and you remember you haven't set up your card for a contactless payment? Weary face, yeah, we've all been there. Well, if you're a Revolut user, that feeling can be a thing of the past. Revolut integrates seamlessly with both Google Pay and Apple Pay, turning your phone into a powerful, secure, and super-fast payment tool. Today, we're diving into exactly how you can set this up and start tapping your way through life. Why Revolut plus mobile pay is a game changer. So, why bother? Convenience, security, and speed. Revolut's integration with Google and Apple Pay means you can leave your physical wallet at home and just carry your phone or even your smartwatch. It's not just for in-store purchases either. It works for online and in-app payments, automatically filling in your card details. Plus, every transaction is tokenized, meaning your actual card number is never shared with the merchant. That's a huge win for security. Locked. Setting up Revolut on Google Pay. Got an Android? This is for you. The process is a breeze. First, open your Revolut app. From the home screen, tap the card's icon in the top right corner. Select the card you want to add to Google Pay. You'll see a button that says Add to GPay. Tap it and follow the on-screen prompts. That's it. Your phone will automatically handle the rest, and you'll get a notification when your card is ready to use. Now you're all set to tap and go. Setting up Revolut on Apple Pay. Apple user? The process is just as simple. Open the Revolut app and tap the card's icon in the top right. Choose the card you want to add. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. Follow the instructions on your screen. You can also do this directly from your Apple Wallet by tapping the plus sign, but going through the Revolut app is the most direct route. Once you're done, you can use your iPhone or Apple Watch for fast, secure payments anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Pro tips for using Revolut with Google and Apple Pay. You can add both your physical and virtual Revolut cards to your mobile wallet. This is great for managing different spending habits. Once set up, you don't even need to open the Revolut app to make a payment. Just unlock your device and hold it near the terminal. For online shopping, look for the Buy with GPay or Buy with Apple Pay buttons at checkout. It's a lifesaver. Don't forget that you'll get instant spending notifications on your phone, so you always know what's happening with your money. Revolut and mobile wallets are a match made in heaven. They make payments faster, more convenient, and more secure than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.